One of the things I've been working on recently has to do with what happens when a new player enters some strategic situation. So, for example, we might think of an entrepreneurial firm entering into an existing market and reshaping the industry. Or we might think of what happens when we merge two existing business entities, and in that case, we're really kind of subtracting one from the market rather than adding it. Strategy is concerned with what causes profits to be maintained or eroded, and how profitability varies across firms. And until now, there really hasn't been any general framework for understanding how the entry or exit of firms or suppliers or important customers impacts sustained profitability. And we now have a completely general economic framework for understanding what happens when a new player enters the market or exits the market. One of the biggest issues in entrepreneurship is acquiring funds. Why is that difficult? Well, we don't really know what's going to happen in an entrepreneurial business. We don't know exactly how we're going to reshape the industry. And the analysis that Mike and I have produced really changes that problem. We can make now much more specific statements about how an entrepreneurial business is going to reshape a new industry, for example. And that then makes it much clearer about the way that an entrepreneurial business would be able to repay any funds that it borrows. So it really addresses an issue that's fundamental to entrepreneurs.